Alright, today we're going to bring a shower kit, and this is a heavy duty shower kit. It comes with the actual system where you actually have to put the hot and cold. If you can see, it's color coordinated, alright? Hot and cold, and then you run into your shower through the top, alright? If you guys can see shower top, it tells you in pictures, and then the handheld. So because it has a valve that you can move, and you have to remove the screws in order to set it up, but we're not ready to set it up. And it's very simple, right? The valves is for one's for the actual control, the heat and the cold, all right, and the other one's actually to set up which device you want to use, the actual shower or the handheld. So the top, very simple. So you do have to put your handheld shower here, if you guys can see that. Cold, hot, and then the top of the shower, right? So the way you set it up is very simple. This is out. They have a brass setup too also for it, so it could come out of the actual ceiling. This is going to be the valve that goes into the cover, if you guys can see that part. And then of course, big beautiful shower head, if you guys can see that. Make sure that the filter is on. You do need the filter, right? So don't lose this. It's part of the filter, goes in there. And then here you have to remove this. Also put the handheld. We're going to test out the handheld and the shower to see how strong it is, because I do need to replace mine. We're going to replace with this one, but I'm not going to replace the whole kit because I have it built in the wall already. I have something set up like this where I'm going to set these two up and see how simple it is. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is a shower, as you can see. I use my existing pipe. I'm just putting this one in there because it's a lot better. We're going to replace this too also with it, but look how well it looks. All right, we make sure we have this. I'm gonna use my existing one. It's a little dirty, but here we have. We're gonna switch it. That's one mold. That's one mold. 2, 3 molds. So 1, I like that one. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 molds, pretty much that you get. So together, combined, it fits in pretty well here. Along with the shower head, you could adjust it how you want. So I like this picture. You could adjust it. You could get longer ones if you want, but this is perfect. It's gonna completely cycle the whole thing. The 3 fixtures, 1, 2, and 3. So there you have it.